Hi loves, welcome back to my vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be about maintenance vlogging, getting my hair done, nails done, eyebrows done, all that good stuff, and preparing with me for my vacation. So I'm traveling to Miami in about 4 days and I'm so excited because I never went to the States before. Today I'm gonna get my eyelashes and eyebrows done. This is my first time doing henna brow tint. The lady said that the appointment will be about 2.5 hours, and I haven't eaten since maybe around 1 and it's after 4 now. So I'm probably gonna stop and get something to eat. Right now I'm at the mall. I need to head to Minnesota to get a couple of travel items. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for my maintenance and preparation for this trip. So let us go.
Gave no reason, tears all they deepen. Sometimes I felt like crying, sometimes life was
So I need a beach bag. So these are all the beach bags they have. This one says summer day, keep smiling, good vibes, stay positive. These ones, I like this one, say yes to new adventures. I like that one, but I kind of wanted one that had like pink in it. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. I like the quote on that one. I really wanted one with pink. Let's see what else they have. This one is a bag in a bag, but that is really childish. I don't like that one.
hell, I hope I won't forget. Memories stuck in my head. It's really over. I misunderstand since I've been blind. I'm dead to the sense. Thought I had lost. Come to find out I dodged a one straight bullet. You'll never be the one I can count on. No way, I'll never be the one you want, and that's okay.
Okay, so I'm done there now, so I'm gonna be heading to Burger King to get something to eat.
Hi, welcome to Burger King with us. May I take your order, please?
Yes, please. Can I have a 8-piece chicken nugget combo, please?
Sorry, how many dishes, ma'am?
8-piece chicken nugget combo.
Combo, right?
Yes, please.
What's the drink?
Can I have a Sprite?
Right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I arrived on time for my eyelash appointment. It's 4:50. I was supposed to get here for 5. I'm about to head inside.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. Not the average girl from your video, and I ain't built like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. I'm not the average girl from your video. My worth is not determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what I'm wearing, I will always be in the RE. When I look in the mirror, the only one there is me. Every freckle on my face is where it's supposed to be. And I know I created it and make no mistakes on me. My feet, my thighs, my lips, my eyes, I'm loving what I see. I'm not the average girl from your video, and I ain't built like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. I'm not the average girl from your video. My worth is not determined by the price of my direction. Something's gotta change. Don't be offended, this is all my opinion. Ain't nothing that I'm saying, Lord. This is a true confession of a life-learned lesson I was sent here to share with y'all. So get in where you fit and go on and shine. Clear your mind.
Hey guys, so I just finished getting my brows and lashes done and I love them. Like the lashes are curly and full and the brows are dark but not too dark, just the way how I wanted it. A bit natural looking. So she did a really great job, to be honest, so I really like them. So now I'm making a quick stop at the mall because I'm trying to get 2 bodysuits. So I'm going to Urban Planet to see what I can find. So let us go. Good morning guys. Today we have a lot on the agenda. Well, not a lot. I have to do my hair and then I have to go to the nail salon and get my nails done. I haven't even made an appointment yet. I don't know what color I'm going to use, but we'll figure it out. So let's get started with the hair. So yesterday I washed and blew out my hair. So it's really soft and ready to go. So for my hair, I'm using this one. This is one part to do my entire head. Passion Twist 1017. So we're going to start.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the...
So this is the final product. This is how it looks. Just have to do my edges and style it. And the one part worked, so that's good. Time to make my nail appointment now. It is now 12:34. So this is how the hair is looking. I just started like this for now. I'm heading to my nail appointment. I called and I booked for 2 o'clock. It is 1:42 now actually, so I have to go. Yeah, so I'm heading to go get my nails done now.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, killing this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me, dawg? I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the passion. It's a thriller in a trap. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction.
So I'm back from getting my nails done. So this is how I got them done. Just pink with a little bit of sparkle. These are my natural nails. Honestly, I don't like the extensions. I find them very uncomfortable and painful. So I don't like extensions. I rather do my own nails. So these are just shellac nails in pink and silver. And my toes are just solid pink. But I love them. Good afternoon, guys. So today is Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to those Canadian subscribers watching. Today is also the day before my trip, and I have been getting a lot of breakouts on my face. I don't know where they're coming from, but I'm traveling tomorrow and it's just driving me crazy. So I'm gonna apply a face mask today, and after that I'm gonna do some packing, and then I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day for the flight tomorrow. So this is the mask that I usually use. I don't know if you ever heard of it. It's called Indian Healing Clay. It's a deep pore cleansing mask, and you can use it for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chill clay for knee packs, and insect bites. So I'm having acne, so I'm going to use it for that. It's a powder, so you usually have to mix it into like a paste to put it on your face. I actually need to buy more, so I'm just going to use whatever is left in here. I swear by this, like I use it a lot. Usually you're supposed to mix it like equal parts, but I usually just eyeball it. I'm also gonna add this one, apple cider vinegar. This one is with the mother. This is also good for like acne and stuff. So I usually add this because on the jar it said you can mix it with water or apple cider vinegar, raw apple cider vinegar. So this is the one I'm gonna use. I'm also going to add some turmeric because turmeric is good for the skin. Mix it up. So I made it into a paste. So now I'm going to apply this on my skin with my mask applicator. I actually got this on Amazon. Makes it so much easier to apply this onto my skin. It's usually really messy, but it works.
I'm gonna show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. We can kill it, this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it now, maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Won't stop, never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spot.
So that's it. I'm not gonna put any under my eyebrows because I got my eyebrows and my lashes done. So I don't want to put a lot there. I'm just gonna put it around my eye. So that was perfect. The amount that I mixed was good. So I'm gonna leave this and let this set for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's gonna get like really hard and cracky, and then I'm gonna wash it off. It's usually like messy because of the clay and how hard it gets and to wash it off, but it does the job. So I'll be back after this dries in about 5 to 10 minutes. So it has been 10 minutes, and as you can see, the mask is really hard on my face. So I'm gonna wash this off now.
Other than the family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about the creek where they stay. Black leather.
So I'm done. My face feels so much softer and smoother. So yeah, I'm done. My face is looking a little different. So now let's get into the packing. Hi guys, so I have everything that I need for my trip laid out on the bed. So I'll give you guys a quick overview and then we'll get straight into the packing. So this is everything that I have for the trip. I have them all categorized. So these are tops, dresses, 2-pieces, jumpsuits, more jumpsuits. Actually, I have a lot of swimwear because I plan to be on the beach often. More tops, jeans. I have a good set of sandals because I plan to wear mostly sandals on vacation. I only have 1 pair of heels, which are these white heels. This is my beach bag and some more bags. My nightwear, my undergarment, my makeup is in this bag. I actually bought these packing cubes from AliExpress. I thought they were bigger, but this is the biggest out of them. So I'm gonna make do with what I have. I got this one from Minnesota. I also purchased these shoe bags from Shein, but I can put other stuff in them as well. Also got these shirts because my husband and I will be celebrating our anniversary while on vacation. So these are custom made shirts that we got. So I also have these. So this is everything that I have. I have some makeup wipes here. My makeup is in here. And this is all of my jewelry. So this is everything that I need for vacation. So let's get to packing.
cover my face, calling me da, da, da. Biggie man, wait, don't you get da, da, da. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, they get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, they get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, they try to destroy me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one die, I know one die, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, they get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, they get them, ride the whip. I know, oh no, I thought now.
I'm finished packing. These are both my carry-ons. I don't want to make this one too full because they said that this one has to fit under the seat, so not too much is in here. The handbags didn't fit in the suitcase, so I put them in here along with a few other pieces, and that's it. We're done packing. And these pieces that I didn't put in, I'm probably going to wear this to the airport, so that's why I didn't pack it. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please look out for my Miami vlog. I'll be posting that as well. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.